Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey little bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Donmily Hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit. Right here I am showing you guys what all came in the packaging of this unit, and right here I am showing you guys the cap construction. As you guys can see, this unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And this is a curly unit, and this is a 5x5 closure wig. Now if you are interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. So I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Donmily Hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't have really many details, specs, or anything about this unit whatsoever. Like, all I literally have is the email that says it's a curly wig and it's 24 inches. That is it. Now, it does seem to be a 4x4 or 6x6 closure. I'm not sure which, because honestly, y'all, I'm not that smart when it comes to the math and all of that. So I don't know. But I want to say it's either a 4x4 closure or a 6x6 closure. And, you know, more information, any other details and stuff will be down below in the description box, you know, because I ain't got them. But y'all will have it by the time this video is released. So just bear with me, y'all. I'm having an off day, so just bear with me. As far as the density of this wig, I want to guesstimate that the wig's density is 180%. That's just in my opinion. And it says curly, but I honestly don't know what type of curly. I'm going to say maybe Jerry curly, maybe. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't have those details. And like I said, all of that will be listed down below. Now, the details that I can personally give you about it, such as the construction of it, it does, well, child, I'm saying I can give it to you, but can I? I think it has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Now, it could be 2 combs. If it's 2 combs, then I'll, you know, you already heard that in the beginning part of this video. But I want to say it's 3. Yeah. With this type of unit, you can wear it as a middle part, a left side part, or a right side part, whichever way you want to, honey. I personally decided to do 2 little braids, and that was when my struggle began, okay, because your girl is nobody's braider, okay? So me and these braids have gone all around the world, and they are the most janky braids on earth, but honey, at this point, I had to take what I could take because I was struggling. I wanted, you know, because you see so much of the same styles when it comes to human hair wigs. Like, it's only so much, you know, that you can say about the same unit, okay? So I was trying to give you guys a little more versatility and, you know, do a different style with it. It's just that your girl is nobody's beautician, honey, okay? But I wanted to show to you guys that you can wear this unit braided if you wanted to. And literally, you have this much room. So all of that in the middle, you can do whatever you want to. So you can still wear these types of units in a half up, half down style if you want to, but literally it's just this part right here, which to me, these are my favorite types of units because you still have the advantage of a frontal where you can wear it left side, right side, or whatever. You can part it, you know, you have enough space to part it and wear it in different styles, but you don't have to put in as much work as you would with a frontal. So I am a fan of closure wigs for sure. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, now it does shed a little bit. It is a curly unit, and that is pretty common as far as I can tell. Like, I have a bunch of curly wigs, and the majority, like I want to say at least 85% of them shed a little bit when I'm putting, like, brushing them out and applying product. They all shed some. So it's not anything to write home about. It's not shedding like excessively. It does shed a little bit, like the norm. As far as tangles, this unit really wasn't tangly. So shout out to y'all, because usually my curly wigs are a little more on the tangly side, but this one wasn't really tangly. So shout out to you, Donmily. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick length check, and then we can get into my thoughts and feelings about this unit. So this is where the unit comes on me in the front, and this is all of the hair. And this is where it comes to me in the back. Hope you guys can see. So yeah, as I stated, this unit is 24 inches long, and I am 5'4", so it could be longer or shorter on you depending on your height. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Now, if you're interested in what all I did to this wig, as well as how I feel about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, So I really like this wig. I already told you guys that these are the type of units that I prefer, that I gravitate towards because of the closure and the fact that they're easier to apply. Now I did tweeze the hairline some, but the hairline did come pretty nice, you know, just straight out of the packaging. So if you are not comfortable tweezing, because I'm still personally not the best at tweezing myself, and it's pretty time consuming. If you don't want to, this isn't a wig that you absolutely have to, because the hairline really wasn't crazy dense anyway. So I did tweeze the hairline. And I did apply some product to it. I did use my water and conditioner. And then I used my Auntie Jackie's curling mousse, whatever. What is it called? Curlala, I think. I did use that. And that was it. I didn't put any mousse on this unit whatsoever, which is, you know, pretty standard for me. I usually do apply mousse, but I didn't with this wig. And yeah, that's basically it. I did these little braids, child, my little Indian braids. And I applied these little clips, and I thought I was filming it when I applied it, but I wasn't. But they're just the same clips that I use on mostly all of my braided wigs. Like if I have a braided unit, you probably gonna see these clips. Like they're just, I love these things. And I get them from the beauty, these particular ones, I get from the my local beauty supply store. So I don't have a link, you know, to them, but I love these little things. So yeah, that is basically it. I like the wig. I love the wig, actually. I think it is really, really convenient. It's really nice. It's cute. I have no issues with the hair whatsoever. This has just been a long day for your girl, okay? So if my energy level seems like kaput, it's because it's just been a long day, okay? It's just been a long filming day for me, and it's been my fault. Like, the wig really wasn't supposed to take that much time. It was just team my bad. So yeah, but I do love the unit. Shout out to you, Donmily. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, that is it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. And as I stated, more details and specs will be down below in the description box. I am sorry that I didn't have them on hand, y'all. I am so sorry about it. But they will be in the description box, as well as a direct link to this unit if you are interested. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I am Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.